Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energies and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? So we have the Hermit and Five of Swords in reverse. Okay. Capricorn, these are your current energies, the Hermit and Five of Swords in reverse. And these are your partner's current energies, okay? Five of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. Alright. Capricorn, I feel that you are being somebody who is now out from your hermit mode, okay? Now you feel, now it is the time for me to take action. And perhaps with this Five of Swords in reverse, you are being somebody who was scared to fight your battle, okay, who was scared to fight the battle, who was scared to fight for their own rights, okay. Perhaps you were being somebody who was collecting data, or perhaps you were being somebody with this Hermit card in reverse that who was doing their homework, I mean, you were being somebody who was analyzing things, or observing things, observing people's pattern towards you, observing all the data and facts available with you, okay, because you were somebody who was kind of very scared to fight, okay. But now, since you are out from that energy, you are ready to take action towards something, you are ready to take action towards your life, your rights, all right. On the other hand, we have Five of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. Capricorn, your person is feeling left out by somebody, okay. Somebody has just throw them out from their life with this Five of Pentacles, okay. And their good and bad deeds are with them, okay. Their good and bad karmas are with them. I don't think so that their good karmas are following them, but yes, their bad karmas are following them and haunting them, okay. They are not letting them go, okay. They are not letting them roam around free, okay. So they are being somebody who is feeling cold, who is feeling I mean, they are feeling that somebody has closed their face, I mean, their door on their face, okay. Somebody has you know just left them in cold. They don't even care about them now, okay. And with this Three of Pentacle cards, I feel that they are, they have reached at that point of time, or at that level in life, that they have everything, but yes, they do not have the mental peace with them, okay. They don't have the uh, peace of mind with them, okay. They feel guilty, they feel worried, they feel scared, they feel they don't feel good about them, okay. Perhaps it's you who was working on some data and facts, okay, and it's you who was not ready to take any action towards your life. But now, since you are out from these energies, you have taken a step, okay, and perhaps it's you who has thrown them out of your life. It could happen that this person is your spouse, it could happen that this person is your girlfriend or boyfriend, it could happen that this person is in love with you, okay. Or it could also happen that this person was abusive towards you, okay. Be it mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, this person was abusive, okay. And now, when you have all the data, or you have all the facts and figure, you took an action, and you just thrown them out of your life. If it is the case, then well done, okay. So now this person is living in their own energies, in their own negative energies. They are feeling sorry, they are feeling bad, okay. They are bad karmas or bad deeds are with them, okay. So these were your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you and feel about you. How you see them and feel about you, and how they see you and feel about you. Two of Wands. So Capricorn, you see them and feel about them as somebody who has everything in life, okay, who wanted to take action and who could take action, but this person didn't take any action towards you. Perhaps with this card you feel, Capricorn, that this person is a visionary, okay. This person has a big vision towards their own life, okay. Perhaps you see them as somebody who want to earn a lot of respect, okay, who want to earn a lot of fame, who want to earn so many good things in life, okay. This person has this world globe in their hand and this person has this wand in their hand, but the thing is that they are not taking any action. They are just seeing from a distance that how far I can go in life, okay. You saw them and or you see them as somebody who has a great vision towards life, okay. On the other hand, your person, Capricorn, feels about you and see you as somebody who is a kind-hearted person, okay. With the Six of Cups, they see you as somebody who has a lot of love and emotions to give to the people or to give to the society, okay. You are empathic, okay. You have a lot of sympathy towards people, okay. You are somebody who believes in spreading love and peace and light, okay. All right. Now let's see, Capricorn, what action you are taking towards each other. What action you are taking towards each other. No action, no action. No action from your side, no action from their side. Capricorn, I feel that you are being somebody who's more focusing towards their own healing, okay. I think you have been through tough time with this person in past, okay. I told you in the beginning that this could be a abusive relationship for you. So at this point of time you are not looking at towards anyone, okay. You are being completely focused on your own mental peace, own healing, okay. And you are being somebody is uh, who is just get rid of their own past bad experiences, okay. So this time you are doing nothing except your healing part, all right. On the other hand, your person with this Nine of Wands, they are also doing nothing. They are scared, they are worried, okay. They don't want to do anything. They have just, yeah, they are freeze now, okay. They are not moving here and there. I told you this person has so many uh, regrets within their heart and mind. Their bad karmas are have hold them very tightly that they can't move, okay. they their anxiety, their worry have turned them as a cold, okay, or turned them they are completely still, okay. They are not moving here and there. Perhaps just because they are feeling sorry, they have a lot of regrets within their heart. That's the only thing, okay. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. King of Swords, the Emperor, King. Okay, so Capricorn, with the King of Swords, you are being somebody now, you do not want to listen to any kind of BS, okay. You are being somebody who is not afraid to take action. See this, you have this sword, okay. You have this sword in your hand, and this Emperor, they don't have anything in their hand, okay. So, and as we can see, there are a lot of blood is spread on the floor. You are calm, you are composed, you are peaceful in mind, but yes, you are also being somebody who does not want to, who is not ready to take any kind of nonsense from anyone, and you are not afraid to cut people out from your life. And that's what you did in past, that's what you have done now with your person, okay. You have just thrown them out of your life, okay. So you are being somebody who is very energetic yet mature, okay. It's not that you have sword and you have the right to cut people out from your life. You are just observing things, you are observing people's behavior towards you. I told you that you are working, or you were working on some data or facts and figure, or you were observing something or certain things. Okay, so now since you have all the data with you, since you have all the inputs with you, so now at this point of time you are not afraid to cut people out from your life. Okay, on the other hand, we have the Emperor. This person is feeling in this relationship as an emperor. Okay, this person is provider, this person is giver. Okay, but still this person doesn't know what to do. Okay, this person is failed to be a king. Okay, being an emperor doesn't mean that you have you know everything. Okay, this person is failed to be a king. Okay, this person is like so scared, this person is like so worried, this person, perhaps they were somebody who has anxiety issues with them, perhaps they have personality uh, or what should I say, um, I mean, they pose as an emperor, but deep down in their heart, they feel scared. They don't have confidence within them. They don't have uh, grace or what the power of authority. They don't have that qualities within them. All right. All right. Now let's see what's going to be the future potential. Oh my God. Hierophant. I'm seeing some kind of counseling is going on. If you guys have filed for divorce, so you guys are going to take some kind of counseling. Okay, if you guys are married to each other, or if not, then some discussions are going on or will take place in this relationship. Perhaps you are going to, or perhaps you are planning to divorce this person. Okay, because you have been through very very tough time with them, so you feel that it's okay, I cannot be with this person anymore, and I should be, take divorce, or I should be get separated from this person. So some kind of a counseling session, some kind of a meetings are going to take place in future in this relationship. All right, now let's see how angels are helping you, what angels are telling you. Angel messages for Capricorn, please. Angel messages for Capricorn, please. Angel messages for Capricorn, please. You are ready. See, Capricorn, whatever action you are going to take, or whatever action you want to take towards this person, you can take. You can take, because angels have given you a go ahead that you are ready. Okay, so don't hesitate to take action, just be ready and take action. I don't know what this person has to tell you secretly, but still we'll see what this person wants to tell you secretly. You are my greatest blessings. I wish you were here, or I was there, or we were together anywhere. The best is yet to come. Perhaps after the counseling session, you guys think twice, or I mean, you guys think again to. I mean, it's you, Capricorn, who will think to, okay, just forgive this person and stay with them one more time. Our time apart is temporary. Okay. I'm much more me when I'm with you. Distance is a test to see how far love can travel. And the last message for Capricorn is loving you is my biggest weakness and my greatest strength. I don't know how far you guys can, resonate with these love notes, but yes, that was the love notes for you. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aquarius with this King of Swords and 5 of Swords in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 6 of Cups. And we have Aquarius in this reading with the Star card. Some of you could be dealing with fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 2 of Wands and 9 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Aries with this Emperor card. All right. Okay. So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.